We are making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. Coming in from Uttar Pradesh as part of the mega crackdown on the gangsters in Uttar Pradesh, the UP police have gunned down another Don, and this time in Lucknow. Gangster Hanuman Pandey was shot dead in an encounter. Varanasi STF received a tip-off of his whereabouts and chased his vehicle this morning. While he was gunned down, his 4 accomplices managed to escape.
देखिए, आज ये जहाँ पर हम खड़े हैं यहाँ पर एसटीएफ की बनारस टीम और हेडक्वार्टर टीम, जो कि राजेश सिंह साहब हैं हमारे एडिशनल एसपी साहब, इनके नेतृत्व में एक मुठभेड़ हुई है। और सूचना मिल रही थी बनारस एसटीएफ की बनारस यूनिट को कि इस बदमाश की, और यहाँ की टीम और बनारस की टीम दोनों इसे चेज कर रही थी। यहाँ पर आकर ये पेड़ से गाड़ी इनकी टकराई है, जहाँ आप देख रहे हैं, और इसमें 5 बदमाश थे और इनके द्वारा बदमाश जब गाड़ी टकराई गई तो इनके द्वारा फायरिंग की गई। क्रॉस फायरिंग में एक बदमाश को गोली लगी, उसे हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया। इस बदमाश का नाम हनुमान पांडे उस राकेश पांडे है, और ये एक शातिर बदमाश है और मुख्तार अंसारी का शातिर शूटर है। और इस पर 25-25 हज़ार के 2 स्थानों से इस पर इनाम बताए गए हैं। बाकी इसका तस्दीक किया जा रहा है। हॉस्पिटल ले जाने पर इसे ब्रॉड डेड घोषित कर दिए गए।
कितने राउंड गोली चली?
देखिए, ये तो अभी हम बाद में बताएंगे, क्योंकि अभी हम मौके पर आए हैं और अपनी टीम से पूरी बात करेंगे, उसके बाद ये बात बता पाएंगे।
बाकी लोग कोई और भी तो साथ लोग थे? 4 लोग।
और 4 लोग थे, वो मैंने बताया नहीं, 5 लोग थे। 4 लोग इसमें से मौके का फ़ायदा उठाकर, देख रहे हैं आप ये बराबर में नाला है, वहाँ से मौके का फ़ायदा उठाकर भाग गए।
Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me live, getting us all the further updates there. Alok, first of all, help us understand the background of this gangster Hanuman Pandey and the circumstances under which he was shot dead in the encounter.
Well, Apurva, after the incident of Vikas Dubey, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had ordered the crackdown on criminals, those who are active in Uttar Pradesh, and in this ongoing operation, this crackdown has happened, and this has happened in Lucknow, Sarojini Nagar area, when this accused, he was accused in various cases in eastern Uttar Pradesh that include murder, attempt to murder, and also extortion. He was also believed to be very close associate of Munna Bajrangi and Mukhtar Ansari gang. Remember, Mukhtar Ansari was an accused in the murder case of BJP MLA Krishnananda Rai in 2005, and in fact it is also believed that he was also involved into it. However, the court had given the clean chit to all these accused persons, but the case is still going on the higher court. Apart from that, this person was very much active during the time of 2000, late 2000 and till 2010. His last case was reported in 2012, but recently there was a case registered against him that was related to the Arms Act, and in fact the case was also registered against his wife in eastern Uttar Pradesh. So after that, UPSTF got the information about his movement in Kanpur and Lucknow area, and that's why Varanasi STF had passed on the information with the Lucknow STF yesterday late evening, and then they laid a trap near Lucknow Kanpur highway, and near Sarojini Nagar area they managed to pin him down. But he was traveling in an Innova car, and when they chased him, his car rammed into a tree, and in which his 4 of the associates, what the police say, they managed to escape, but he was caught. He started indiscriminate firing on the police party. In the retaliation, he also received the bullet injuries, in which he died. He was taken to the hospital where he was declared dead. So definitely it's a big success for the Uttar Pradesh police on the criminal who was very much active in Uttar Pradesh during the time of late 20s, and now he is again going to commit some crime. That is why the police did this crackdown on him. Back to you.
In that case, Alok, are there any kind of questions being raised regarding this encounter that has taken place? And also, we understand some of his accomplices also managed to escape?
Well, yes, definitely the question will be raised on the manner in which this gun down has happened. Definitely there was question earlier also raised during the time of Vikas Dubey encounter and his accomplices in last month, and in this case also police has not yet revealed on what circumstances exactly the whole encounter has happened. In fact, they have not revealed the name of those persons who have managed to escape, who were accompanying him. But as of now, police say that they are conducting the inquiry and they are doing and they were because it was a complete chase down, and that's why it was all happened in very hurried manner. So as of now, they are just joining the dots and joining the sequence of this whole incident, whole encounter, and then they will reveal it to the media. Back to you.
All right, Alok, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates that are coming in from Uttar Pradesh.